Welcome. If you're using Google Chrome on your phone and want to personalize the sound for your Incognito notifications, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you through the latest, updated steps to change that notification sound easily and keep your private browsing alerts unique. First, grab your phone and head over to your settings. You can usually find this as a gear icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Tap on it to view all the applications installed on your device. Scroll through the list until you spot Chrome. Go ahead and tap on it to enter Chrome's app settings. Here, you'll see a range of options, but the one you're interested in is notifications. Give that a tap, and you'll find yourself in the notification settings for Chrome. Now you'll notice there are multiple notification categories for Chrome, each handling different types of alerts. Find and tap on notification categories. This is where you'll be able to manage the different notifications Chrome sends to your phone. Within notification categories, look for Incognito. This is the category specifically for notifications received when using Incognito mode. Tap on Incognito to enter its notification settings. Here, you'll see an option labeled Sound. Tap on Sound, and a selection of notification tones will appear. Pick the tone that you prefer for your Incognito notifications. You can choose something subtle, distinct, or totally custom, whatever works best for your style and needs. After you've chosen your tone, simply exit out of settings. Your changes will be saved automatically. That's it. Now your Chrome Incognito notifications will have their own unique sound, helping you stay discreet or just better organized. This simple tweak is a great way to personalize your browsing experience and manage your notifications the way you want. Thanks for watching.